Navigate on Autopilot builds upon auto steer and, with your supervision, allows your Tesla to automatically make lane changes, follow interchanges, and take exits to guide you toward your destination. It's available on controlled access roads like highways and freeways. Like all driver assistance features, Navigate on Autopilot does not make the car autonomous. It requires a fully attentive driver with both hands on the steering wheel at all times. Auto steer can disengage at any moment, and Navigate on Autopilot will turn off with it. To enable Navigate on Autopilot, go to Controls, Autopilot, and Navigate on Autopilot. Take a moment to carefully read the on-screen prompts before enabling the feature. Once a navigation destination is entered, a Navigate on Autopilot selection will appear below the turn-by-turn directions list if the feature will be available on parts of your route. Tap here to turn on Navigate on Autopilot for this trip. Navigate on Autopilot will now activate whenever auto steer is active on controlled access roads and freeways. Auto steer alone is indicated by the edges of your lane being highlighted in blue. When Navigate on Autopilot is active, your path of travel is highlighted instead, indicated by a bold line centered on the car. Auto steer must be active for Navigate on Autopilot to be enabled. If Navigate on Autopilot can take your exit, it will do so as long as hands are detected on the steering wheel. However, by default, lane changes require confirmation using the appropriate turn signal. In the Customize Navigate on Autopilot menu, you can select how much you'd like the car to prioritize changing lanes in the interest of reaching your set speed. If speed-based lane changes are disabled, Navigate on Autopilot will only change lanes to stay on your route and guide you toward exits. It will not change lanes to get you to your destination quicker. For that, select Mild, Average, or Mad Max. If Require Lane Change Confirmation is turned off, your Tesla will change lanes without confirmation. If your Tesla initiates a lane change, check your blind spot as usual to ensure the path is clear, and be ready to take over at any moment. You can cancel Navigate on Autopilot at any time. Tap here to disable it for the remainder of your trip. If it's active when you press the button, your Tesla will revert to auto steer only. To cancel both Navigate on Autopilot and auto steer, push the drive stalk up or gently press the brake pedal. Navigate on Autopilot gives you a heads up when it's about to disengage, letting you know the remaining distance the feature will be active. Once it turns off, you still need to deactivate auto steer before reaching an intersection. To learn more about Navigate on Autopilot, review your owner's manual on the touchscreen.